Let's assume you have fell into a black hole. First of all, what is a black hole? And how does a black hole forms? What would happen if you fell into one? Would you meet aliens? This is It isn't surprising that many people wonder what it would be like to visit a black hole, as you think. It is not exactly a restive vacation spot. Black holes are undoubtedly some of the strangest places in the universe. They are so massive that hideously distort space and time. They are so dense that their centers called point at infinity. And they have a very strong gravitational pull. Not even light can escape. When a massive star reaches its end of life, that means they are out of fuel to perform a fusion reaction, which provides enough energy to prop up the star's outer layers. Then those upper layers collapse into itself, and then it will explode out as a powerful and bright burst called supernova. Yet a small part of the star remains behind. But wait, some of you think, our sun is also a star. Will it ever turn into a black hole? No. It will not turn into a black hole. It's simply because our sun doesn't have enough mass to collapse into a black hole. According to Einstein's equation of general relativity predicted that if a remnant star has about 3 times the mass of our sun, then the remnant star's powerful gravitational force will overwhelm everything else. The material it's made of will be crushed to an infinitely small point with infinite density. Then this remnant star will become a stellar black hole. Stellar black holes are small but dangerous than supermassive black hole. If you fell into an Earth-sized stellar black hole, your body would most closely resemble a toothpaste being extracted out of the tube. When an object crossed a black hole's event horizon, the top of your head would feel so much more gravitational pull than the tips of your toes, that you would be stretched longer and longer. The British astrophysicist Sir Martin Rees named the term spaghettification. You eventually become a stream of subatomic particles that swirl into the black hole. As this would not happen to you if you fell into a supermassive black hole, as the tidal force at the event horizon is not quite that strong, so you could maintain your structural integrity. In this case, you would get to experience the effects of the curvature of space-time, predicted by Einstein's general theory of relativity. First of all, you will approach the speed of light as you fall into the black hole. So the faster you move through space, the slower you move through time. Furthermore, as you fall, there are things that have been falling in front of you, that have experienced an even greater time dilation than you have. So if you're able to look forward toward the black hole, you see every object that has fallen into it and passed. Then if you look backwards, you'll be able to see every object fallen into the black hole behind you. So the result is, you'll get to see the entire history of the sport in the universe, simultaneously from the past Big Bang and all the way into the distant future. So what do you think about it? Do you want to visit one? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel to watch more fascinating videos.